How to fix page visibility in Google Blogsite. So let's get started with the video. You can see, in this Blogsite dashboard, there are a couple of pages created. But there is no pages displayed in the site's navigation menu. To fix the page's visibility in the site's navigation menu, you need to first click the Layout tab in this Blogsite dashboard. And in the right, you need to enter Page List section. In the pop-up window, first, you need to enable this widget toggle button. Next, you can add a page title, which is optional. Next, to set the page visibility, you need to click Add a new item link. In the first field, you need to select the page, which you want to add, in Blogsite's navigation menu. You can see the page is added here. Similarly, you need to add all the pages that you want in the Blogsite's navigation menu, one by one, in the same manner. Finally, once done adding all the pages needed in the navigation menu, click and save the page visibility. Next, you can click here and confirm the page's visibility in the Blogsite's navigation menu. And done fixing the page visibility in Google Blogsite top navigation menu. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.